Hello guys, I'm going to refilm this video because the one I made was too long and it's going to take forever to upload. So I'm going to make a short video on Zorin OS. I already got it booted up, so it saved me time in boring you guys with the entire boot up process. This is pretty much, pretty much logged in. So let's get started. Right here you see the Zorin menu. You pop that up, it looks exactly like the Windows Start menu. Very familiar. You guys probably have seen many distributions take on this entire look. Accessories is where you have all your applications like Activity Journal, Archive Manager, Backups, Calendar, Character Maps, Disks, Files, Font Viewer, Password and Keys, Screenshot, Search Files, and Text Editor. We go back. Education, we have kind of a astronomy type of program. We go back, and then we go into games. Some of these games were installed. I just installed more. Here's the solitaire game. Here's a pool game, chess, a fighter game. The game pretty similar to Frogger. Here's a game that's pretty similar to Bejeweled, which is called Jeweled. Mahjong Mines, kind of a blocks game. Sudoku. Super Tux, which is kind of a knockoff of Mario Brothers. Super Tux 2 is also a knockoff of Mario. Super Tux Kart, which is a knockoff of all that. And then we have SNES emulator. Your other side of the start menu contains your home folder, documents, pictures, music, videos, recent items, computer, network, connected to. You click on connected to, it will show you Ethernet, wired, and etc. The other part of your menu, you have universal access, system settings, and help. System settings is kind of like control panel for Windows. This is pretty much how it is. In Linux, you have appearance. You can change your backgrounds, etc. Like your wallpaper. Like I have I believe a backgrounds folder in whatever it is, pictures. Yeah, I have a backgrounds folder in here, so I could pick any background I want. We'll just downsize that. We can click on set wallpaper. So we can set it to any background we really want, and it will adjust to whatever background you've set. So we can open that back up. We can select something else, set as wallpaper. So really, you have lots of customization with Zorin OS. So I can really cancel. Set as wallpaper. Original side, apply actions and changes, replace. Okay, so we could change the background to whatever we want, which I've already done. So I'm going to stop and we're going to go on to the next thing. Okay, so now most people say you can't edit video in Linux. Well, you can with the right video editor. We have OpenShot, which is all fine and dandy, but if you try and save something, it's going to dump and it's going to crash. So what people would recommend is Kdenlive if you're going to do video editing in Linux. This is laid out pretty similar to Windows Movie Maker, and you can do just that. Okay, so I have already rendered a few videos in here, but I'm going to do a demonstration. To add clips is very simple. You can go, okay, continue. Alright. Your clip does not match the project, Okay, so it doesn't matter. It will just downscale it anyways. We're going to add this one, continue, and then there we go. So we're going to add Zach's video first. Now it does have audio. It does have an audio clip. So the audio clip is in there somewhere. Alright, so then we can add Chris's reaction. And there we go. Okay, so this is how this works. Okay, we could play it. Okay, all it was playing there was Chris's reaction. Okay, now we can play it again. Okay, we have to go back to the very beginning of the clip. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, so there's the timeline. So you can see very little timeline right there. It's pretty cool, pretty standard, I would have to say. Alright, I'm just going to turn off USB from the phone. Unplug. Okay, so alright, so to render a video, you go up here to render, and it gives you options. Okay, so we're just going to just render it, render file. It says warning, this file already exists, do you like to overwrite it? Let's go sure, just for the heck of it, and then it's going to render it very fast. So there we go. "13 seconds left, 12 seconds left, 11 seconds left." So you can actually see how many seconds are left. 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to wait for a check mark here. And it gives it a few seconds. And once we see that check mark, we're good to go. Any second. There we go. Video is now rendered. And then we can find it in home /Aaron/Kdenlive. Okay, so close. Okay, we can now close this. No. Alright, so it's annoying there. Okay, so now we can go back into Home, Kdenlive, and we should play back the clip we just made. And we'll see where it opens. And there we go. Alright, we've rendered that. What I have done, I have uploaded this version to YouTube, the one that I saved when I made the first video. That was too long. So VLC player can open it. And there we go. It works about the same as Windows does in most respects. So everything about this distribution is a lot like how Windows is. So you guys might be thinking, does any other software work, like any Windows software? Well, I have a demonstration here. I just got to go into Other. We have Butt Broadcasting Tool. We're going to open that. Since Wine is already configured, there's Butt Broadcasting Tool. We can set it up. It says default PCM device. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to set that up. Right now it's not recognizing the webcam audio. It's pulse audio, Wine audio, default. Okay. It needs Wine audio, I think. No. Okay. Pulse audio. Alright. So something's not set up in audio. So we can go into audio settings and set this up, because we're over here in the other monitor, input. Okay, now we have that. As you could see, we could set that up for recording. It could not open. Da, 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 da. Okay, so we have an error already. Server not found. So, in a way of recording, you can't do anything. So, alright, so that is we can, let's see. Alright, that's that. Start recording when connected. Not save changes. So what this program does is it crashes. So to run Butt Broadcasting Tool wouldn't be very good. So if you wanted to, you could go into the Software Center and find something for Linux. So that's how that works. Now, it does run Windows software, but then again, you're going to have some issues with it as far as that goes. But does DJ software work? Yes, it does, and I will show you in the next clip, and then we'll pretty much end this video and close it out, because I do not want to make this video much longer than it is. Okay, so some people might be wondering, does DJ software work? Well, here's your question. Yes, it does. I'm going to load a song in. I'm going to go ahead and click on something here. Okay, we're going to click on some Billy Ocean. I'm going to load into deck 1. Let's load BGs into deck 2. Alright, so here we go. Can this work as a secondary music computer for live shows? Yes, it can. There it goes. There it works. Okay, let's just say if this song is done. There we go. And mix works good in Linux. So there's your answer. Alright, theme switching. I know some of you might think, well, can you theme switch on this? Yes, you can. You could go under System Tools and change themes. So I'm set to light mode right now. I could set it to dark. What it will do, it will change it. And there we go. We have dark. Now what if I want to change it back to light? Well, you go back to light theme. And there you go. And that works. What else? Look changer. Okay, it's set to Windows 7. You can go Windows XP. But here's an issue with XP mode. It makes the windows look very very wide. So let's just say you want to go to GNOME 2 desktop. Now look at what this entails. Pretty much that. But I like the Windows 7 look the most because you could do basically whatever you want. And also down here on the Zorin OS taskbar or panel or whatever you call it, you have different themes as well. You could go flat, which will give it kind of a flat look like XP. Or you could go 3D, which gives it kind of a 3D dock, kind of like Mac OS X, which is pretty cool. Curved, which gives you kind of a curved kind of look. Edgy, which gives you kind of another style XP look a little bit. A floaty, which kind of gives you kind of a floating bar. And then this one, which is the pure default, kind of like the 7 look. You could do panel mode, you could do always visible, you can IntelliHide, which will hide it. When you hover over it, it reappears. Transparency. There we go. You could have it transparent, which is still visible. Keep below. Which almost does nothing. Fade out. Window dodge, which is kind of cool. Fades out. Keep transparent, which still allows you to see the time and stuff like that. Let's go back to panel mode. Position on screen. Expand the panel. Size of icons. We could change size if we wanted to. And make it kind of fit screen a little bit. We have different themes. We could customize it. Pretty cool. task manager. See, we have that, and then advanced mode, you can change different things: effects, reflection offset, icon alpha, reflection alpha multiplier, etc. Just some interesting stuff you could do. I have it set to kind of make the panel smaller in a way, because it looks too big when you do it on screen. So anyways, I guess that's kind of it for this video. Peace out, guys. Practice and enjoy. And I don't think I wanted to do a quite long video to bore you guys, so I'll touch up on some more things of Zorin later on. But if you have a comment, or should I say, leave a comment if you have one. But then again, I will show you the computer specs. There they are, just to let you guys know that this is running on legit hardware. And there's Zorin OS 10. So, pretty cool. So, peace out, guys. Practice and enjoy. Feel free to leave a comment if you have one. And we'll see you guys later. Shut down.